Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix network protocol error in Minecraft Tlauncher. First, check your internet connection. Turn your Wi-Fi or mobile data off for a few seconds, then turn it back on to refresh your network connection. If possible, restart your router as well. Now press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, type temp and click OK. Select all the files in this folder and delete them. If some files are currently in use, simply skip them. Now open the Run dialog again, type %10% and click OK. Delete all the files in this folder as well to remove additional temporary system files. Once that's done, restart your computer. This refreshes your system and applies any pending changes. After your PC restarts, right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Check for any unnecessary applications using high CPU, memory, or network resources and close the ones you don't need before launching Tlauncher. Now open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Settings. Click Privacy and Security from the left side. Now select Delete Browsing Data. Check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. Now go back and open the Start menu, click Settings. Then select Windows Update. Click Check for Updates and install any available updates. Restart your computer again if Windows asks you to. Finally, open Tlauncher. Make sure you're using the same Minecraft version as the server you're trying to join and verify that your Java installation is up to date. If the error still appears, try reconnecting to the server or reinstalling Tlauncher. That's how you can fix the network protocol error in Minecraft Tlauncher. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.